Hey
guys, what's up? It's your girl Adele. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been on my YouTube for a very long time, but that's gonna change.
Yada yada yada.
Believe who this?
All the extra stuff.
All the extra stuff. I'm breaking out, guys, so bad, and most of it was from my makeup. I stopped wearing it, but some of it. But onto the video, I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial on my sister Shayla.
What's up, y'all?
Yes, Shay. We call her Shay. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial on her. I just did one onto Elisa's. Onto my sister's. Go onto hers, Lisha and Shay. They're brand new YouTubers, so I need all my people who've been here since day one to go ahead, jump over there and like their stuff. Comment in the videos.
This is not even.
We coming up. So also, guys, got brand new makeup and brushes. I got brand new I got brand new brushes, guys, from the beauty shop. I have Profusion, I have Fusion, I have Ulta Beauty, I have thousands of eyeshadow palettes. Y'all know me. So we gonna get into the video. Y'all can see Sheila Big Head.
You feel me?
We low-key using a toilet paper to hold the phone, but it's good.
Y'all ain't never seen nothing like this.
Y'all ain't never seen nothing like this
We
before.
about to start a YouTube channel.
Y'all know we got that brand new palettes.
Oh,
that 2013 stuff.
You feel me?
That 2013 stuff right there.
You feel me?
Y'all know what it is. Go ahead. Oh yeah, shout out to Fallas. That's where I got it in Phoenix.
We finna go back there.
Hey. All right, guys. So today we're looking for a neutral and we're looking for a natural look. So
you feel me, guys? We're about to.
The artist is about to get up
YouTube
in it.
channel. You really do.
All right. So since she's live, I'm gonna be using this
below,
Master Concealer.
Actually,
no, my bad. I'm gonna be using this Ulta Correcting Concealer. Correcting Concealer. Camouflage concealer. You're actually supposed to use this. Okay, but they're both the same. We're just gonna go with this. It looks darker on the outside, but really it's like her skin tone on the inside. So one thing about the palettes though for concealers, it is wiser to use a palette, but this is the creamy one and it flows good. So I'm just gonna use my fingers and I'm just gonna put it on her face. Liquid.
Use both liquids.
Yeah.
who is that?
And yes, we already color matched and all that. So
I'm white, as you can tell. I might be black, but I'm white.
People adding me on groups.
I'm really black, guys, so don't do me.
Yes, she is.
You fuck me good. Oh.
Somebody's in the mood.
Right.
So
also another word to the wise, guys. You always want to take at least 3 months and maybe even less than that, honestly, and clean your makeup brushes, because most of the time, and I have already cleaned mine for already in the beginning of the month, just because it's just easier, because basically if you don't clean them, you're just putting dirt back onto your face, like clumped up makeup and all that other crap onto your face.
I'm so white.
Got time for that.
Y'all thought it was dark. No.
My life is about to be screwed because
that's my stop on you.
I'm so white. Look at how white that is.
Alright, guys, so I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. blending brush. Actually gonna wipe on here because I know I used some of that other shit on this face.
Just wiping on my pants, bro.
Really? But I'm gonna be using, this is my e.l.f. blending brush. And we're just gonna.
You better have no dark on
blend.
me. That's what you got. You better. That's not dark.
Sheila, I used the same thing on her. This was the same thing I used on her. Okay. Anyways.
Why do you always gotta act a fool on YouTube?
We don't act like she did not just say that.
Right.
Look it.
That's exactly what we got.
Look. What? Look at ya. What?
So for my brand new makeup people, please exit this video and go check out my very first one. I have a tutorial where I do it on my own face, just so you can see, it a lot better. So please go look at that one before you hop onto this, because this is now the pros over here. So if you're a baby to the channel, then you hop over to the other one. And also, sometimes you can wet it, but dealing with certain foundations, like I have a liquid one. Mine, I wet my brush to make it look a whole lot better. This you don't want to, because it already has like a powdery type effect.
Good lord.
Go add this one on YouTube.
Because it already has a powdery effect, so you don't really want to close your eyes.
Below. So you know.
Also, for y'all girls out there who's putting on makeup and we could see the real color on your edges and it don't match your skin tone,
Yeah, look.
please blend it in.
Go add this on
Because it's not cute when you walk out the house and we could see your actual skin tone because your edges.
Below, you feel me?
So please fix it.
Yeah,
because it's
don't
not
hate on
cute.
my edges, okay?
It's really not cute. Alright, so patience and blending, that's all I'm going to tell you guys. You want to try, bro?
Shay and Lisa?
A little bit.
Shay and
You want
Lisa?
that?
Then we're like, why is she copying
When it has the
Shay?
gel and the color.
Ooh, I like that.
The gel and the color. You know, just for the eyebrows, you know, something like this and this. You feel me? You feel me?
So guys, I'm gonna be using the brunette.
A, B,
Brunette
and
brown.
egg, and you want to lose your eyebrows like that.
Where's that? Use that one. Sorry, y'all. The brush these. Also, this is Elf's brush for the
I
eyebrows.
mean, I know some of y'all, I just don't know all y'all. Y'all weird. Like, well, who is this?
And yes, for some of y'all, I do like my eyebrows bushier. I don't like them thin. I'm just that type of person. I know some of y'all be plucking all y'all's off and drawing them on. You know, I'm not that person, so.
They literally be shaving them.
The
and
whole
then just
eyebrow be
drawing
gone and
on
just,
them.
yeah, that ain't me.
Bro, that's not cute. And since we're looking for a neutral, you don't want to make the eyebrows like dark. It's not gonna look great, because then you have to
You
revert
mad?
to dark eyeshadow. That's not good. Let's use the background.
Sorry, you mad?
First.
Did I take you back?
Look. Please go back over them, because some of your girls just be putting them on. You gotta comb back through. You see, okay?
Yeah, nigga.
Alright.
When your eyebrow did. One
Right.
eyebrow did. Just one. You feel me?
Alright.
Bro, you can't even talk, okay?
What?
One eyebrow did.
What'd you say?
That's just a trick, y'all. We just go.
My sister is doing their YouTube. My best friend. What are you looking at? Just don't. I know that, nigga. You live by Tay.
Tell you don't live down here no more.
I don't even live down
Tay?
Yep.
You know he live in Texas.
here. He lives in Texas now?
Which Tay are you talking about, mine? Yes! That's exactly why I haven't seen him in this long.
Elisa, shit.
Like, good lord.
Whoa!
The window's open.
No smoke, no smoke. You niggas don't want it.
You're right, we don't.
Right.
I can go, won't go.
If he lives in Chase neighborhood, then he lives down the road.
Let me see.
Good lord.
Can you hear me?
Alright, y'all. So we done the eyebrows.
You feel.
Y'all know.
Turn it up.
Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna do something with her.
Bet.
Okay, so we already did it.
I'm bored as hell.
What else did I do? Wait.
Oh.
Yeah. So this time, I'm gonna be using a primer for the lids instead of the other stuff.
Some weeds.
Did you say instead of what?
I'm smoking some weed.
Don't. Let me help you, Ray. Let me help you. Look, ain't nothing in the bottle, bro. Wait, you gotta.
No, don't do that.
Who wants the blood?
Hush.
Who wants the blood?
I told you.
It landed all on you, bro.
Cause you're.
You got so lucky.
Uh-huh. Alright, we gonna let this
Bro, put
dry.
it back.
Why?
You don't
It
even
ain't
know
gonna go back in there.
Yes, it will.
dumbo.
Watch.
Nigga.
Smart ass.
It ain't gonna go back in there. Alright guys, so she has like a mixture of circular and almond.
Yeah.
These light skinned boys just don't know about us. We be doing the most.
For
We two-tone. We got different types of eyelids. I know we ain't Chinese, but we got different types of eyelids. Bro. Everything wrong with us.
Alright guys, so
I don't wear hoops because, you know, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoe. But I mean,
No, it's not.
we're not about to start that.
no, we not.
don't.
We really not.
No, it is not like
Don't
that.
be my best friend, Bree.
Bro, let me
Alright, guys,
explain.
so
She got me
really
upset
slow.
with that shit, bro.
No, she
So,
said the bigger the hoop, the
I'm
bigger the
gonna
heart.
be
It's different with different
using-
females. I was talking about light skins, nigga.
Can we not do that?
Can you stay in your brown skin lane?
Can I finish my video? Thank you.
Right, she's a ghetto one, bro.
So we're gonna be using this brush.
Sometimes.
It's more of like a flat / wide.
I like that she leave my door open.
I'm gonna use this chocolate brown right here.
I'm gonna do my eyeliner. Look.
Oh, they can't even fucking see. My bad, y'all. This brown right here. And I'm just gonna do it like all over. Oh, that's pretty.
Like you never used it before. Ooh, that's
I
pretty.
never did. Really, I've never used it. Look at that. It's a pretty color. I'm start using that. Alright guys, so this is more of like a cocoa / like a maroonish looking color actually. It's actually a really, really pretty color. I'm so jealous right now that I'm using this for the first time.
Why you gonna be jealous of Sheila?
I didn't say Sheila.
The eyeshadow because she never used it.
Is this
Alright.
a ghetto?
No. I can't even see the hoop because your hair.
Alright. So, oh yeah, also this is my pro
This is my
elevation. This is my elevation kit.
We doing it all out. You gotta add the mascara, you gotta add the eyeliner, you gotta add the highlighter, you gotta add the.
Alright, where's my...
That's what I do.
You know, she stop being mean.
trying to find the red. So, honestly, guys, I'm trying to find a...
That's like
Red. That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Red.
I don't know if I have red ones. Oh, you know what? I actually might have a red, but I know on which one. Probably not.
Nigga, why do you need red?
Because it's in the room. Oh my gosh. Light it on. It's in this one. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna have a red in this one. Look at that maroon. That's cute. Ooh, let's do this one. Come on.
I'm about to turn on some music.
Go ahead.